Rice water, unveiling the meaning. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve into the phrase, rice water. This might seem like a straightforward term, but understanding its context can be quite fascinating. Stick around to learn more about it. Rice water is made up of two words, rice and water. Individually, these words are simple to understand. Rice, a staple food for a large part of the world's population, especially in Asia. It's a grain that's cooked and eaten. Water, a clear liquid that we drink and use in various ways in daily life. When combined, the term refers to the milky liquid obtained after soaking or boiling rice. Rice water is not just a term without a real-life application. In fact, it has a variety of uses. 1. Culinary uses. It's sometimes used in cooking, particularly in certain traditional dishes. 2. Beauty treatments. Historically, rice water has been used as a natural beauty treatment, especially for hair and skin. It's believed to make hair shinier, stronger, and help in skin rejuvenation. 3. Starch source. It's a starchy liquid, so it's occasionally used where a natural starch might be needed, like in textile production. While rice water often refers to the milky liquid from soaking or boiling rice, its meaning can vary based on context. For instance, in a conversation about beauty treatments, it likely refers to its use for hair and skin benefits. Meanwhile, in a cooking context, it might relate to its culinary applications. Always pay attention to context when interpreting this phrase. We hope this deep dive into the phrase, rice water, has been enlightening. It's fascinating how simple words can have such diverse applications and meanings. Keep exploring the English language, and until next time, happy learning!